I have to use a couple of other Kato boxes to do it. Oh, that's framed quite nicely. I'm sorry about the angle, but it's framed nicely. That's what I wanted. So, just again, forwards. You see different intensities of light as well. And now reverse and watch under this lip here. Watch there. How about that? So when it's also being a balcony, there's some lighting there for anyone that's standing on the balcony watching the scenery go past. And they've actually reproduced this in N-gauge. What a set. Wow. I did see them come on in a reflection in the previous shot, but this is the first time I've seen them with my own eyes. I'm currently crouching down now behind the camera here, just like, look at it. That is absolutely stunning. That is beautiful. Right, we'll get the rest of the train on now then. So it's obviously all LED. Might leave the camera that height actually, because it's pretty good. Now, I don't know how these connect together, so I'm hoping they just sort of push. Otherwise, it'll be a pause of the video and get the translator onto the instruction manual. So what we'll do is we'll do it on camera, I suppose, because then you folks can all see as well. So, right. Oh, you can't really see as such, but yeah, they just clip in. It's actually easier than the Yamaguchi set. Oh wow, close coupling on that. Well, hang on, it's just going to go around my corner, isn't it? Yep, there's light between the two. It's getting very close, but there is actually light between the two. So, yeah, this is truly exciting for me. This is a set I wanted before I even brought the SL Yamaguchi. I was all set to get it when the car decided to burst one of its tyres. So we get a bit of a preview test here to make sure the thing works. Oh, there we go. Yep, so it works. Now this is the longest passenger train I'll be running on this layout. At 10 cars long. So that's one box worth. Now to get the second box worth out. So we start with that lovely sleeping car. Should be noticed about there's very fine silver detail on the roof of these vehicles for air conditioning and so on. Oh, okay, what's going on here? That's it. Wasn't quite lined up. Oh, wow. It just looks so magic. There's no real force needed to push it together. So oh, it only just makes onto the bloody bridge. Sorry about that. Ooh. Okay. That's another one. And now the final car, car 10. And yes, this is taking up nearly a whole half around the corner. And the Lights are working at the other end. So, I give you all the Twilight Express from Kato. It's enormous. As you may gather from how quickly it now does a lot of the tray. But oh man, I'm happy with that. So, thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, subscribe. If you enjoyed this format video, I'm happy to do more. I'd like to do more, to be honest. That was really fun. And I'll see you all next time. I'm going to leave this one in now. Bye for now.